After experiencing the PUBG installation loop error 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Close all applications and restart your computer to refresh the system. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause installation problems. Try resetting your router if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, or others and navigate to the game library. Right-click on PUBG, select Properties, and then choose the option to verify the integrity of game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall as they may be blocking the installation process. After disabling them, try to install or update PUBG again. Remember to re-enable them afterward. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. Make sure to back up any important game data before proceeding with the uninstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the installation loop error and enjoy playing PUBG again. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.